Our lighting can be controlled with just 3 gestures: a swipe, hand near the sensor, and hand away from the sensor. The sensors are located along the entire width and on the bottom of the Novy shelf. They have a maximum range of 15 centimeters, which is why it is important to make any gestures below this strip, otherwise the light will not respond. You can switch the light on and off with a simple swipe. You can also move and hold your hand somewhere and the light will then move to that place. By steadily moving your hand up and down, you can adjust the balance between the top and bottom light and direct more light to the worktop when you need it. When you need more light, use 2 hands to spread apart the light and increase the light beam. By doing the opposite, you can also reduce the light beam. You can also drag the light to where you need it at that time. This means that you do not have to illuminate your entire worktop when this is not needed. If you need more light while cooking, you can activate the work light. To do this, hold your hand at a distance from the sensor. Keep your hand there and the light will now switch to a work light. This light has a slightly whiter hue. It is very easy to switch back to the normal light. All you need to do is to simply hold your hand near to the sensor. When you hold your hand there for longer, the light will switch to color mode, but only on the top side. Of course, you can also adjust the color. Hold your hand in one place for longer and the light will flash. You can now use a swiping motion to rotate through the colors. When you move your hand away, the light will stop flashing and the color will be set. This is also how you can adjust the normal light from a warm to a cooler hue. Hold your hand near to the sensor. The light will move upwards and eventually flash in a white hue on the top and bottom sides. You can also adjust a whiter hue by using a swiping motion. When the light stops flashing, the color will be set.